Matic is on the rise. This is what we have planned yesterday. In the yesterday's update, was looking for this push to the downside here, for this pullback to come before to rise again to make this nice wave 5. So this happened exactly, this played perfectly. This was, for example, here in the update yesterday, was looking for this nice MC50 target, more likely down to the 38.2 to be here. This was, as I said, where we have more chance to go. Still 23.6 is possible, but we have still more chance to go into the 2 levels and our levels MC50 here that we've created here at MOONCHARTS. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. We've got this nice long setup that played perfectly. If you're trading it, personally, I'm not trading this asset at all. I'm on other assets, and these days I don't have a lot of time for trading in any case. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So we've got a rejection from the first target, so we can remove that. We can now also remove this. We can remove this and place so the wave for bottom. It's possible to be in an ABC flat in the wave for. Just be aware of that. But gonna take the case that for me it is in. So the thing is now, what we can do is to simply plan the wave 5 target. So to do this, you just have to pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top. I'm just going to check really quickly here what was the wave 3 target first of all. Well, okay, this was exactly the maximum target of the wave 3, pretty cool. And so yeah, so circling on the wave to bottom if you want to find the wave 3 targets, and otherwise circling on the wave for bottom if you want to find the wave 5 targets. Okay, and so from here you had a wave 5 target. So first target 618 truncated, so less probable. Truncated means stop before the wave 3 top, so less probable. 1-to-1 extension 100% less probable, truncated again. And so next target, most probable one that we already hit and rejected, by the way, is the 1618 here. So for now this is hit. If we have to push up, we can still make, you know, some few highs above. This is absolutely something possible. The 1618 and the 2618 are never well touched to the dollar, so it's fine to do something like go a bit above and then retrace like this. It's absolutely okay. But anyway, so this right here in a case will be the first target. Let me just remove this right there. This is a first target, red, perfect. This is a second target. And so we're good with this. Now, when we have, so if we do the wave 5 here, let's say that we go to the 2618 maximum target of the wave 5. What we can expect next really? Is a top in? Are you going to look for a major drop? Yes or no? But this is something possible. This is the first configuration we have planned yesterday. Okay, if we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have a wave 5 here, we just need to complete this blue 5 waves here to complete the red wave 5, because in the wave 1, 3, and 5 we have 5 waves, 5 smaller waves. Same for example, the blue wave 1 have 5 waves, the blue wave 3 have 5 waves, and the yellow, the blue wave 5 have 5 waves. So if we have done the wave 5, for example, let's say, you know, let's take the case that we have done this on the 1618, we have done in that case this wave 5, and so what's happening next? We either have a big drop, either have a wave for retracement. Why? Because we can be in an A, B, C zigzag. If we're in an A, B, C zigzag, then the top is in, and we're just going to drop as it's a correction to go more down. Otherwise, before to look, of course, for a major drop, we still have to look for such configuration where we are in a wave 3. We are going to retrace for a wave 4. What you can do here is simply learn how to read an order flow. Sorry, or just do a smaller wave count, for example, in there. At some levels in confidence with or stuff like that. This, for example, is an order flow. This allows you really to see what's happening behind the market. When you reach your target, you just have to ask yourself, okay, is it more bullish or is it more bearish in there, so to speak? Or do I have to take a long or not? Just by reading the data, for example, you have the, yeah, I'm not going to spend too much time on this. If you want to learn that, you can just go and check out our website. And by the way, you have some new feature here waiting for you, but you can learn exo charts here, the order flow footprint charts, Elliott wave for absolutely free too. The beginner course is absolutely free. This is absolutely free. This is absolutely free too. Guess the pan is a new feature really started this week, by the way. And so every Monday you have a pattern to guess on a chart, an Elliott wave pattern. So if you want to learn Elliott wave, this is an absolute, and this is absolutely crazy, not gonna lie, it's absolutely free. And if you can absolutely master the chart by doing this, you can gain some experience if you can set up, because you can really see how it looks like on the chart. And yeah, this is absolutely free. So just really go and check this out. And otherwise, this master role is really, you can get a role on the Discord server if you're active on it and you post some good predictions with the course you've learned. Here you also have some resources to download. Anyway, I'll let you go and check this out. So yeah, here either C wave top, big drop, but before to look for such configuration, we simply have to look for a wave 3. For retracement, if the wave 4 is not respected, then we just look for the C wave top, and so a major drop. Okay, so here let's take the case that we have done the bottom to just show you how you can find a wave 4. So you first click, take the retracement tool, first click on the wave 3 top. and second click on the wave 3 route, okay? Or as always, it depends if you reverse your tool or not in your settings. I did reverse my tool, so it's from the top to the bottom. If you did not reverse your tool, it's from the bottom to the top. From here, we have done a big wave 4, so normally we have more chance to retrace around the 2316 and the MC fib, okay? The 30.2 is possible too, the third fib here, but normally we should retrace in between right there. So if we're in a wave 4 and we retrace from here, then this should be the possible next long setup, so the next long trade setup for the wave 5, and from here we just have to pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 4 bottom and add the 618 1-to-1 extension 1618 to 618, and these 4 targets are going to be the wave 5 targets. For now it's just too early. It's just to show you how you can do it. It's just too early simply because we don't know if the wave 5 top is in or if we're going to make a bigger and longer wave 5 here, okay? But yeah, so this was, by the way, the first configuration right here into the medium time frame waves, okay? So let me just remove all of this. Sorry, so this was the first configuration for the medium time frame, okay? With the red wave here, you can see where we are in a wave 5. Now, if you remember good, this second configuration is this, where we are in a wave 1, 2, 1, 2. So once we have done this right here, we are going to do a wave 4 again right here, okay? So it will be a more the same target than the one we have planned before, to be honest with you. It's the same a bit below here. There will be more here, 50% by the way. Like this, 38.2 50% will be more the target because we have done a very small wave 2 here. Very small wave 2 means 38.2 or less. So this is clearly 38.2 or less on that one. Not gonna lie, you can clearly see this. This is 38.2. So this is really small for a wave 2. So smaller the wave 2 is, bigger the wave 4 gonna be. And again, if we're in the white wave 4 or if we're in a pink wave 4, it's the same target in any case. So we don't really care. Okay. So if I have to retrace from here, of course, if we make, for example, the wave 3 higher, this wave 5 in that case higher, in that case we just have to take this retracement tool, place it from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root, and then bam, this in that case this is the target of the wave 4, this higher bit of target, okay? In any case, now we just have to look for these targets for the wave 5. When we retrace, we just have to pull the retracement tool, and yeah, we shall go around, so below the low here possibly. Okay, next, either big drop if this was a C wave top, either a continuation with a wave 5. It all depends really on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is going to decide. If Bitcoin is going to fall like crazy, it's going to fall like crazy also on that one. If Bitcoin is not going to fall like crazy, it's not going to fall like crazy on that one too. Anyway, I hope you're all enjoying the updates. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications, to not miss any update. And on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day, have a nice weekend ahead, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.